y'all. Welcome to the Grace Journaling webcast. I'm your host, Susan Lee Rose. Fall is in the air. Well, not here in Texas, but somewhere it is. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make this fun fall-themed card using this beautiful pumpkin stamp from Stamp Simply. We'll also be using the Fall is in the Air scrapbooking kit from Echo Park. I love how this one turned out, and I hope that you will too. Okay, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the double-sided tape and I'm going to tape down the paper flag that I cut out. I used on that, it was a stitched flag die. I'm not sure where I got it or what brand it is. I don't even think it's really a name brand. It'd be kind of a knockoff. I'm not really sure. But I'm going to run that down the center of the page. The paper I'm using is from the Fall is in the Air kit by Echo Park. And it's the Fall Festival double-sided paper. On one side it's the green polka dot and on the other side it's the leaf pattern. So now I'm taking the green polka dot and I made a circle out of it, and I used the stitch shape dies from Stampin' Up. And I'm just going to place that onto the card. I'm using for the bottom, I'm using a brown, the Kraft cardstock for the card base. It's cut 8.5 by 5.5, and I've scored it at 4 1/4. And then on top of that, I put the brown cardstock, and it's 5 1/4 by 4 inches. The stamp that I'm using here is the pumpkin stamp. Is from the Welcome Fall stamp set by Stamp Simply. And I'm coloring it in with my alcohol markers. Today I'm using the Caliart markers, but I'm also using the Stamping Blends by Stampin' Up. I'm using that one right now as the Stampin' Up one, and it's in the dark granny apple green. The Caliart pens I used were Y608 and Y826. So now I've got that done. I'm going to put some double-sided tape onto the back of that, and I'm going to mount that onto the polka-dotted circle. For the stamped, I've used the Bristol paper to stamp the image and color on. It's a nice thick paper and it's very smooth, so the stamp comes out really well. So now I've got a sentiment strip right here that I am making, and it says Welcome Fall. It's in a teal. So now I'm going to mount the brown cardstock onto the card base, and then we will pretty much have this card together. It's a very, very simple one. I've used a Kraft cardstock, a brown texture cardstock, a teal cardstock, a leaf print, and the green polka dot from Fall Festival from Echo Park, Bristol paper, the pumpkin stamp, and the sentiment, my alcohol pens, and I'm finishing it up with my Wink of Stella. Thank you for watching my video. Please visit my YouTube channel, Grace Journaling, to view my other videos. If you enjoy them, please like and share them. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to be updated whenever I add new videos and tutorials. You can also find me on my blog at www.gracejournaling.com or follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Grace Journaling.